Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to compare China Harbor Engineering Company to Sinohydro Construction. Now both these companies are shortlisted to work on the Spark program, which is the billion dollar road construction company. The billion-dollar road construction project in Jamaica. So CHEC is well established in Jamaica. They are the number one contractor in Jamaica, building roads like the Southern Coastal Highway and Highway 2000 East-West leg and Highway 2000 North-South leg. They are the number one contractor in Jamaica. Sinohydro has not worked in Jamaica before, and this will be their first project in Jamaica, the Spark program. Now, both companies are Chinese owned. And in terms of revenue per year, Sinohydro does about 10 billion and China Harbor Engineering Company does about 60 billion. So China Harbor Engineering Company is a bigger company. Now, in terms of their global ranking, Sinohydro is in the top 10 when you list the contractors, and China Harbor Engineering Company is in the top 3. This is the worldwide ranking now. So China Harbor Engineering Company is definitely, when you compare the two, it's a bigger company than Sinohydro. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on these two companies. Sinohydro Corporation Limited is a major Chinese state-owned enterprise specializing in engineering and construction, particularly in hydropower infrastructure. Established in 1950 and headquartered in Beijing, the company operates globally, providing services across various sectors such as energy, transportation, water mining, and real estate. Sinohydro is a subsidiary of Power China, one of the largest global infrastructure and energy companies. Both Sinohydro Corporation and China Harbor Engineering Company are state-owned enterprises from China specializing in infrastructure development. While they share similarities in their global reach and project types, they differ in core expertise, geographic focus, and market strategies. Sinohydro is primarily known for its Sinohydro is primarily known for its expertise in hydropower construction. The company specializes in designing and building dams, water management systems, and energy facilities. Over 50% of the world's major hydropower projects have been completed by Sinohydro. Key areas include hydropower, energy infrastructure, road networks, bridges, and urban development. China Harbor Engineering Company specializes in marine engineering and port construction, although its expertise also extends to roads, bridges, airports, and industrial zones. The company is known for dredging and land reclamation and plays a significant role in developing coastal infrastructure. Key areas: ports, harbors, dredging, highways, and urban development. Sinohydro is active in Asia, Africa, and Latin America. Sinohydro focuses on projects in developing countries, particularly where hydropower development and road infrastructure are critical to economic growth. It also has a presence in Jamaica, participating in road improvement initiatives like the Spark program. CHEC has a wider global footprint with notable projects in the Caribbean, Africa, Southeast Asia, and Europe. Its presence in Jamaica is significant, with projects like the North-South Highway and the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Sinohydro has done some major dams. The Three Gorges Dam in China, the largest hydropower project in the world. The Meroe Dam in Sudan, a hydropower and irrigation focused development. And it's shortlisted for the Spark program in Jamaica, which is road rehabilitation and connectivity improvement. CHEC has worked on the Port of Columbia expansion, one of Asia's largest port projects, the North-South Highway in Jamaica, a key highway connecting Kingston to the North Coast, the Southern Coastal Highway, a major infrastructure upgrade along the southern coast of Jamaica. Sinohydro revenue exceeds 10 billion annually, with its parent company Power China ranked in the top tier of engineering news records, top contractors globally. China Harbour Engineering Company, a part of China Communications Construction Company, CHEC contributes to a parent company revenue exceeding 70 billion annually, placing the parent company CCC consistently among the top 3 global contractors in ENR rankings. Sinohydro focuses on renewable energy projects and water conservation, aligning with global sustainability goals. CHEC, known for innovative techniques in dredging, land reclamation, and sustainable coastal infrastructure. Now, in terms of operations in Jamaica, Sinohydro is a new entrant in Jamaica's market, focused on road improvement projects like Spark, which emphasize infrastructure resilience. China Harbour Engineering Company has a long-standing presence in Jamaica, responsible for major projects like the North-South Highway and Southern Coastal Highway. It is a significant contributor to Jamaica's tourism and logistics infrastructure. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.